Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Uriel. I'm here at Barber Depot in Las Vegas. Today we're going to address one of the questions that we have from one of our customers. It's how to modify a Babyliss clipper to fit any of the Wahl blades. So I'm going to show you. It's pretty simple. We can do it here at the store for you. We are located at 2580 South Decatur Boulevard here in Las Vegas. Our website, barberdepotlv.com, or online store, it's buybarber.com, and our phone number is 702-900-9972. So let's get into it. It's real simple. So we have our Babyliss clipper. First, I'm going to disassemble it real quick. Take our blades off. Finally, you have this white bracket. Just carefully remove it and push out so you can separate it from the original blade. Okay, now when you see a Wahl blade, the thing is that the Wahl blades and every other blade, actually the holes that you have on the blade are actually not in the same spot as you have this bracket, and that's why they don't fit. Obviously, if you try to push it, you're going to break it. So what we're going to do, it's most people have seen that they want to cut the piece or stuff like that. I never recommend actually cutting pieces because sometimes they actually balance the clipper performance, so I wouldn't do that. What I would recommend you, and what I'm going to do right now, is we're going to sand these posts, these plastic posts on the side, and for this I'm going to use my small Dremel tool. You can get it at any Home Depot or any Lowe's or anything like that. And I'm going to use this this tool here. Okay, so I'm going to time lapse that part so you can see how it's done. But pretty much the only thing, you want to be very careful not to over actually sand this part, because otherwise you will affect the part. And just leave it at the same level as is the rest of the bracket. So here we go. Well, after we worked our bracket on the clipper, I actually took a new one and I took the sanded one, so you can see how it looks after doing it. You see it's pretty flat. You see the other one, you still have the posts there. Okay, so with our new bracket, now I'm using a 2561 staggered tooth blade. We're going to take the part, and now it's going to fit perfectly into our new bracket. If by any chance you see that it's not actually fitting properly, just sand it a bit more till actually the full blade sits on the entire plate. And that's why I don't like to cut this stuff. You actually work on it, you don't cut it. Once it's done, reinstall it on your clipper. Upper blade, and we take our screws, go fast. You can zero gap it now, you can work in it, you can fix it as you wish. And now the blade is going to sit tight on our Babyliss clipper and works just fine. And that's how you have a Wahl blade in a Babyliss clipper. Hope you like it, hope it helps. Follow us on the channel. Anything you need, contact us at the store, online. Have a good day. God bless you all. See you next time.